What's up guys, Dave with Cash Toes here, and today I'm just going to give you guys a quick update on the lockout kit that I'm selling over at cashtoes.com at the shop. Not much has changed, but I have got rid of one item and replaced it with another. It'll still come with your standard 52-inch long reach, along with a bunch of extra tips in the handle here. So you got 3 extra tips in the handle in case you need them. The kit also comes with your 36-inch button master, your one-handed jack, both the standard and super airbag, the Smart Light 2, which has suction cups on the front here so you can stick it on the windshield and then you've got a light. This thing doesn't have any batteries in it yet. And then I got rid of the Glassman and I replaced it with the Big Eazy Paint Protector. The reason I got rid of the Glassman is I feel like you can still get the job done using the one-handed jack, airbags, and paint protector. And I didn't want to add any extra items that you didn't necessarily need. Plus, I wanted to make sure that I was giving you guys as much value as possible within this kit. And of course, all these items come with this nice little carrying case with the pockets and the zipper pocket right here as well. So you can just stick your airbags in here and keep everything safe and organized. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, run over to cashtoes.com and go to the shop. You can pick this up for $249 plus tax, and that includes free shipping anywhere in the lower 48. That's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing these videos. We're over 2,000 subscribers on the channel now, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, I feel like this is the bare minimum that you should have as far as a lockout kit. And honestly, I don't think you really need anything more than what's in this kit. Again, thank you guys, I appreciate it, and stay safe out there.